Alright, so this is the ASUS, and I'll show you how to get into the BIOS and change the boot order. So there's two ways to do it. We're going to assume you got no Windows running. Normally you can just, in the recovery environment, go to UEFI options and you can get into BIOS. So I've got Windows 11 USB here. I'm going to boot off that. Now if it's an OEM Windows USB, you don't need to disable secure boot. You need to change the boot order. So here we go, let's go. Delete or F2, one of the two. No, I missed it. Okay, let's do it again. Okay. Try Shift F1. Okay, so that brings the boot menu. Now, like I said, if you got a OEM boot USB, you can just boot from your USB, no problem. You won't have any issues. But if you're booting from a Linux or a special USB with boot options, etc., that is not digitally signed, you cannot boot from here. So you need to disable secure boot, so that's booting off the USB. Let's cut it out. Okay, now we do it one more time. So I'm going to go, sorry about that. Hey. There's a second camera, he likes action, here we go. So power off, do it again, power and then the shift, escape and F1, I'm just keep tapping them. Enter setup. Alright, great. So let's have a look. So let's go to advanced options, which is F7. And probably on the security, secure boot. And turn that off. And save changes and exit. And if you press escape F1 again, that will bring the boot menu and you can boot into any other device. And they all have to be UEFI enabled. Alright, that's it for that. So thanks for watching, see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.